This is the land, between the mountains and the sea, between the snow-capped crater of Mount Hood and the Pacific. And this is the city, largest dry cargo port on the Pacific coast. And its people are friendly and rugged in the tradition of the Oregon Trail.
Coffee. Most people love it. Maybe you're drinking it right now. Myself, I can't stand it. This cup was empty. I wouldn't drink it. But people love coffee, so here at the Microcosm store, we're brewing it fresh to order. Our coffee comes from Courier Coffee, Portland's bike-delivered roastery. And when it comes to the grind, well, we at Microcosm like to do things old-fashioned. We grind our beans...
Excuse me! Telegram!
Telegram? Sorry, 1 minute. Like your video, stop. I will tweet about it. Stop. Kids. So we grind our beans by hand, fresh for every cut. Coffee. You ready? After we grind the beans, we then freedom press each cut. After carefully monitoring the product to make sure it's passed a rigorous review of standardizing procedures and provisionary measures, we then pour the coffee into a mug. We all know that zines and coffee go hand in hand, so come by the Microcosm store in Portland where you can get your fix of both. Bobby, your cup of coffee's ready. 5 gallons. For here?